This your boy B with the beard, and the truth lives here. On this episode, I want to talk about 3 beard styles that you can do without trimming, cutting, or even going to the barber shop. Now, the 2 tools that you're gonna need are a wooden comb or a wooden beard pick that you can find at blackmensgrooming.com, and balm. All right, the first look that I want to show you is the full look. How to do it? Let me go right into it and show you exactly how to get the full look. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the balm, I'm going to massage the balm into my beard, all right? And then the second thing that I'm going to do is begin to pick my beard in an upward fashion. So I'm going to pick my beard upward to get that fullness. So I'm going to show you exactly how that looks. Voila. Okay, there you go. Now, that's the full look. Now, the second beard style I want to go into is the slim style. Now, for the second look, all you're going to do is comb in the downward motion, and that's going to get your beard to lay down. And underneath your jaw, you're gonna go upward. You're gonna comb, pick upward on the left and right side. In the front of your beard, you're going to comb and or pick downward. And I'm going to demonstrate what that looks like, okay? Okay, so that was the second style, the slim look. So the third style that we're gonna get into is the V shape. We're going to comb our beard in a downward fashion, like we would do if it was a slim look, in a downward fashion. Underneath our jaw, we're combing up, picking up in a upward fashion. And then we're going to shape the bottom of our beard into a V. So it's very simple and it's very quick. All right, so there we go. Those were the 3 styles. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Listen, leave your comments at the bottom. Make sure you guys watch the previous videos. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit those thumbs up underneath this video, the likes. I truly appreciate that. This is your boy B with the beard. As always, you already know. We out.